CNP machine, we have 11 vertical millers, all utilizing SPIDERCOOL. Since these have been installed, we've noticed a 30% tool life increase, and we decreased our tool breakage by 50%.
The dual nozzle SPIDERCOOL doubled our tool life.
Our tooling lasts longer, and we don't have problems with chips on certain operations. So I would recommend it to anybody using a Fidel or any type of machining center which it can be adapted to.
Coolant line gets knocked out of the way, the end mill gets all burnt in the piece, and the piece is junk.
It's improved the tool life, I would say.
At the end of the cycle, I've got a good part coming off the machine. I don't have to worry about a tap running dry and seizing in a stainless steel part, or an end mill burring up with aluminum because it didn't get coolant on it and it just wads up and wrecks the part and breaks the end mill. I can't remember the last time I broke an end mill with a SPIDERCOOL.
I do 1,000-piece runs, but the end mills last.
Tool life is much better.
It's been an advantageous thing for our shop because, again, the correct application of coolant is very integral to the success of any machining process, especially machining process involving high-temperature alloys that hold a lot of heat.
And we cut a lot of Inconels, titaniums, alloys, and if the tool goes without coolant, it'll burn up. So it really benefited us to have the SPIDERCOOL.
I will say that the SPIDERCOOL has improved tool life.
Coolant's not spraying where you want it. You're not going to get chip evacuation. You might end up recutting chips that you wouldn't normally recut. So your tool life's going to sacrifice and your surface finish is going to sacrifice.
One specific tool, if you could be running in a machine, you could get 6 more parts out of that tool.
Just because of the SPIDERCOOL.
Right, yeah, longer tool life. It's direct heavy flow. And that helps. That adds up at the end of the week.
It would be very cost ineffective to lose a tool due to something as simple like coolant being in the wrong place or being bumped. The SPIDERCOOL pretty much ensures that if you make your own mistake, that's its own thing, but you're never going to have the issue with the coolant with the SPIDERCOOL.
20% anyway. I see tool life, better finishes. Just not having to take end mills out of aluminum parts that are welded into them from lack of coolant. I don't have those issues anymore.
Now, we had to change half-inch end mills on that particular job about 3-4 times throughout the cycle of the program. And we noticed with the dual nozzle, we only had to change that end mill about 1 or 2 times. So it made a huge difference with tool life and the amount of time we spent changing tools and not changing tools. So a big difference.
Long drills, short tools, it doesn't matter what the case, you always get good coverage and really extend your tool life.